Hey bud, are you supervising the project today of what we're gonna do? It seems like it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're gonna polish up these carbon fiber side skirts so they could look nice and pretty because they are a little dull. So if you saw the last video, you saw that I got some carbon fiber lip kits for the GSF from eBay. They're not the highest quality, they're not the best finish, but then again, I don't want to pay $1,500 plus for a lip kit. So I'm gonna shine these up a little bit. I've got my dual action polisher on my drill here. Probably gonna just try and get away with ultimate polish from Meguiar's. See if that doesn't work, I'll go in with a compound to shine it up a little bit, but this should be more than enough. I did one section here with the polish, so let me just switch over to my iPhone so I could get a better view for you and show you a little bit of the difference from before and after. Alright guys, so you see this whole area right here? That's the area that I polished just with my hand and microfiber towel, and as you can see, it doesn't look as dull as the rest of it. So I'm gonna use the dual action polisher with some polish and work this whole piece and try to shine it up just like that area there. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so just from that single pass, look how much better and clearer this looks now compared to that which I haven't done yet. You could see like that haze, whereas here it looks much cleaner, and you get a good idea of what the carbon fiber weave looks like. You know, it's not the best, it's not the worst, but for the price, it's definitely gonna make the car look so much better. So let's keep working and let's keep making this look so nice. Look at that. You can see the difference right there. Nice and smooth and shiny versus hazy. So happy how this is coming out, so happy. Alright guys, the piece on the left is done. The piece on the right is still not done. Look at the difference. Right there, look at the shine that I've created here instead of this hazy mess that's going on right here. All throughout. Look how nice that looks right now. Compared to this haziness. I mean, look at that difference. Nice, not nice. Very nice, very not nice. Frenchie approves of the nice side. Hey, don't step on that, homeboy. Okay, yeah, you just do whatever you want to do. It's okay. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side and I'll show you the finished product of both of them completed. All right, guys, here is the finished product and it came out absolutely fantastic. Both sides are now haze free. They have a nice deep gloss to them. Now the next step is going to protect these bad boys with a ceramic coating. So that is what we are gonna do next. Stay tuned for that video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so. Hit that bell icon so you're staying up to date with all the videos that I'm putting out. Take care and see you in the next one.